hand-sized specimen from the Erongo mountain and surrounds in Namibia. Now let's start on the base, almost like a little hollow cavern with some lovely muscovite crystals sitting there interlinked with the feldspar. And sitting on top of that, we'll start at this angle. We have the dark green fluorite crystals. Then in between we'd have some goshenite, or actually let's go with aquamarine. It does have the aquamarine color in this case, aquamarine sitting in between. I'll show it clearer in a minute. Muscovite, of course, the mica, little quartz crystals jutting out there. I'd expect to find some tourmaline here as well, and the tourmaline we'd find here would be the albite tourmaline, so it would be multicolor versus the typical black shoal tourmaline from these deposits. From a display point of view, quite an exquisite aesthetic specimen. I think let's go from the top down. Difficult, these aquamarines are very light, maybe between the goshenite and the aquamarine. Of course, all members of the beryl family. There you can see the lovely color of the aquamarine. So crystals visible, a lot of attention to detail on this particular specimen. So I'm not actually seeing any tourmaline here. I'd expect to find some. So please look at my description. Maybe under magnification I'd find traces of the albite tourmaline here as well. All the way from the Erongo and surrounds Namibia. Now let's, looking from the side, lovely projection of these fluorite formations jutting out from the main matrix. Now I want to see if we can look into the fluorite, because at a stage we had the alien eye fluorites. Now I think under closer magnification with strong light you'd have the same effect, where you'd have almost an amethyst core surrounded by a greener fluorite, which would appear like a little alien peeping out from under the fluorite or from within the fluorite.